In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the AVERAGEIFS function in Microsoft Excel. First, understand the data and requirement. Here, I have a data of invoice numbers, product name, customer name, and invoice quantity. Requirements here is to calculate the average invoicing quantity of television. Next requirement is to calculate the average invoicing quantity of refrigerator by customer A. In this case, the AVERAGEIFS function can give us the result. Before using the function, let's see the theoretical description and formula syntax of the function. AVERAGEIFS finds the average or arithmetic mean for the cells specified by a given set of conditions or criteria. The formula syntax has basically three parameters. Average range is the range of numbers in source data from which you are calculating the average. Criteria range is the range, where your condition is located in source data. Criteria is the condition based on which you need the average. The criteria range and criteria parameter will expand further if you have more than one condition for averaging. Let's use the function for calculating the average invoicing of television. In this case, we have only one condition, which is the television. Although, there is a different function in case of single condition, which is AVERAGEIF. But AVERAGEIFS can be used in case of single or multiple condition both. Let's apply the formula here in F9 cell. Press is equal to, type AVERAGEIFS, open parentheses. In the average range, select the invoice quantity range of source data table. Put a comma. In the criteria range 1, select the product name range in the source data table. Put a comma. In the criteria 1, put the condition, which is television. While writing the text value inside formula, put it inside double quotation. Close parentheses and hit enter. Result is given as 24. This is the average invoice quantity per invoice for the product television. Let's look into the second requirement, where we have multiple condition. We have to calculate here the average invoicing of refrigerator by customer A. Refrigerator is the first condition and customer A is the second condition. Let's use the function here in F12 cell. Press is equal to, type AVERAGEIFS, open parentheses. In the average range, select the invoice quantity range of source table. Put a comma. In the criteria range 1, select the product name range of source table. Put a comma. In the criteria 1, put refrigerator. Put a comma. In the criteria range 2, select the customer name range of source table. Put a comma. In the criteria 2, put customer A. If you have more than two conditions, you can continue following the same procedure. But here we have only two condition. So, close the formula with a bracket and press enter. Result is 34 unit. It means average invoice quantity of refrigerator per invoice of customer A is 34 units. So, this is all about using the AVERAGEIFS function in Microsoft Excel. If you want to practice this function, download the sample workbook file from the link provided in video description below. Thank you so much for watching this video.